Lucifer.
Put it down!
I am Lucifer.
One station, one morning, and within seconds, everything turns to chaos. Commuters at the 42nd Street Grand Central subway station were simply trying to start their day when a man armed with a machete began slashing innocent people without warning. 3 victims, seriously injured, panic spreading through one of the busiest transit hubs in New York City. By the time NYPD officers arrived, the danger was still unfolding. The suspect was still armed, still moving, still a threat. What followed was a tense and rapidly evolving confrontation. Officers gave repeated commands. They attempted to de-escalate. They tried to talk him down, but the suspect refused to surrender. At one point, he shouted, "Shoot me." Moments later, he screamed, "I am Lucifer." And then, with the machete still raised, he moved toward Detective Giuffre. Within seconds, officers were forced into a life or death decision. We now go to Detective Giuffre's body cam.
Listen,
drop it.
Put that down.
Drop it.
Put it down. Put
Drop
it down. Put it
Drop
down.
it.
Put it down. Put it down.
Drop the
Put it
fucking
down.
knife. Dude, drop the fucking knife now. Drop the fucking knife. Drop the fucking knife. Drop the knife. Nobody wants to shoot you. Drop the fucking knife. Drop it. Listen, get on the ground, please. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground. Nobody wants to hurt you. We can talk about it.
Get down.
Get down.
I don't want to be here.
Get down. Dude, I'm not going to ask you again. Please. Please. Please.
Put it down.
Get down.
Put it down, please.
No. Stop.
Put it down.
Stop.
Put it down.
Stop.
Down.
Stop. Watch cross. We're not doing it. We're not doing it. Get down.
No.
We're going to get you help. We're going to get you help.
I am Lucifer. Gentlemen,
Stop. Cuff him. Cuff him. Cuff him. Cuff.
We now go to Detective Manetta's body cam perspective.
He just put that down. Put it 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 down. 412 Central. 412 Central. Central. 412 Central.
412 proceeding.
Sir, stay here. Stay here.
Message for 46.
Let me get an 85 northbound. The platform, the 7 train platform. Male with a knife. Male with a knife. Get down! Get down! No! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down, please! Sir! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Yeah, I got you. Put it down! Put it down!
I am Lucifer.
Put it down!
I am Lucifer. Gentlemen, I am
I got him. Shots fired, Central. Shots fired, Central.
The suspect, identified as Anthony Griffin, was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. 3 victims suffered serious injuries, including deep lacerations and a skull fracture, but all survived. Legally, incidents like this are judged under established federal and state use of force standards. In Graham versus Connor, the United States Supreme Court ruled that force must be evaluated based on objective reasonableness, without the benefit of hindsight. In Tennessee versus Garner, the court held that deadly force is justified when officers reasonably believe a suspect poses a significant threat of death or serious bodily injury. Under New York Penal Law Section 35.30, officers may use deadly physical force to protect themselves or others from an imminent deadly threat. In this case, the suspect was armed with a machete, had already attacked multiple victims, ignored repeated commands, and advanced toward detectives with the weapon raised. These are the exact factors courts examine when determining whether force was objectively reasonable. Violent encounters can unfold in seconds, forcing officers to make split-second decisions. Before we wrap up, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. This is Texas Safety Watch. stay aware, stay safe, and we will see you in the next case.